Welcome to the Mind Freak.
Pick a card, any card. Any card. Don't let me see it. Okay, go ahead and put it anywhere you want. Slide it in there. Anywhere you want. Okay, you sure you want it right there?
Yes.
Okay, shuffle cards. So it's mixed in nice and good. We're going to do one of these. Okay, now watch this. Mind Freak.
Help me.
Here, watch me go.
I can't reach it.
Go out the door.